Hello everyone, this is Natalie of UI Mother. As you know, UI Mother is the very first user interface shop for audio industry. And I'm going to introduce you to our next generation of UI templates. So it's not only, the knobs and some kind of background, but it's the system that would help you out create your own user interface by using our standardized and well-aligned, well-proportioned UI elements. Yeah, okay, so let's get to it. We try to balance out the elements. We hope that the idea behind this UI template would help you to create any user interface without pretty much changing the size of the controls, just because we made them look good no matter how you would, rearrange the layout. The difference from all the previous user interface templates is that we've put almost all of possible UI elements, and we worked more on the proportions of the controls. So the sizes, yeah. Of course, we included the possibility to change the size because we realized that sometimes you can't squeeze all of the faders, for example, if you're planning to do a mixer or something like that. But, try to use our sizes and let's see what happens with that. Let's get to the delivery. So you would find here a PSD file with all the elements assembled, the information about what typeface we recommend for this and what the sizes of controls, etc. So you would see the previews of the backgrounds of the controls and the assets. If you're trying to create just a simple VST plugin, we have the VST type of delivery. So basically, this is the Retina size. So the size of the plugin would be 2000 per 1200 pixels, and the Kontakt version is just 2 times smaller. So basically, it's like for a standard Kontakt library. So if you're going to create that, you just choose this size of the delivery. Okay, so what's inside the delivery? Basically, you would have a PSD file and all the controls exported as separate elements, and in the Kontakt folder you would find the elements already pre-assembled for your quicker interaction with it. All the controls are exported and also animated. So you would have the 128 frames animation, all the controls, and the same animation exported as a separate files, just in case you would like to shrink down the control. Basically, this is the opportunity for you to do that. Funny thing with the UV matter. So as you can see, there's a UV matter inside, and we also made it animated with 128 frames. We decided to give it 2 options. So everything all together, glued and animated in 128 frames and separately. And of course, the one-shots also contain each frame of this animation. We decided to make all these PSD layers that way so you could create your UI design prototype within this PSD file. So you would be able just to clone some elements, spread them across your layout, and then just use the positions and use the original already created animated assets for your coding. I hope this preview of the UI template was useful for you, and I wish you great projects to be created and let me know your ideas, comments, and how you use the animation, how you code it, how you prefer to work with PNG or the coded assets. So I guess this is it. I wish you a great day, and this is Natalie from UI Mother. It was nice to meet you, I guess. Bye bye.